17. Cowardly church members. It happened again. A pastor more than 1,000 miles away is a good friend whom I see once or twice a year. His congregation knows of our friendship. A few people in the church are unhappy over a trifling matter involving the way this pastor does certain things. What do? They have two honest choices. First, they can speak to him about it, graciously and kindly. Second, they can look at the total picture and recognize that their pastor is one of the best anywhere, and a minor fault is worth overlooking. However, both of these choices require character and also grace. Instead, they take a third choice. They telephone someone who is in a neighbouring state where I am speaking and ask him to speak to the man who will meet me at the airport and ask him to ask me to speak to their pastor. It sounds crazy, and it is. It's also sinful. It is a demand for a perfection which these people themselves lack. It's a violation of God's law against talebearing, Leviticus 19:16. And it is a request that I join them in their cowardice and sin. With members like this, is it any wonder that the church is weak? Who but a fool will criticize a sergeant on a battlefield for not wearing a tie? We are at war with humanism against God's enemies. Stop fighting with God's soldiers and officers, or the Lord God will declare war on you.